In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup of your data in Zoho Books. Backing up your data is crucial as it ensures that you always have access to your important financial information, even in the unlikely event of data loss. So let's dive right in and see how you can effectively secure your data. First things first, make sure you have the Chrome browser open and that you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and look for the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on that. In the settings menu, you'll find several options under the section labeled Data Administration. What we're interested in today is the Data Backup feature. Click on Data Backup, and this will take you to the page where you can manage your backup preferences. Now let's request a backup. On the data backup page, you'll see an option to request backup. Clicking this button will initiate the process where Zoho Books starts preparing a comprehensive backup of all your organization's data. This includes everything from invoices and bills to estimates, your chart of accounts, various reports, and even attachments. It covers a wide range of important information, ensuring nothing is left out. Once the backup is prepared and ready for download, Zoho will notify you via email. Additionally, the download link will also be displayed on the data backup page. Click on the link to download the backup to your system. It's delivered as a .zip file, which will contain CSV files and any attachments you included. It's helpful to keep a note on how often you can request these backups. If you're on the standard plan, you're allowed one backup per month. However, if you're subscribed to one of the higher plans, you may have the option to request backups more frequently. Remember, once you've requested a backup, it will be stored for only 7 days, so be sure to download it before it expires. For added security, it's wise to store your backup in a secure location. You might consider saving it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or an external hard drive. These additional steps ensure that your data is not only backed up but also easily accessible when needed. Zoho Books also offers integrations with Zoho Data Prep and Zoho Analytics, which can assist in automating the archiving process and providing an extra layer of safety for your data. And there you have it, a straightforward way to back up your data in Zoho Books. Hopefully, this guide has empowered you with the knowledge to keep your financial information safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful Zoho Books tutorials and tips.